The ANSEM airdrop is now live, and in this video I'm going to show you guys basically how to position yourself for the airdrop coming very soon. Now let's get right into it. Now I have to say that whenever you're trading meme coins or anything on the internet, you have to be very careful. You have to do your own research, because ANSEM is backed by a trustworthy person and it's doing real huge volume and numbers, doesn't mean every meme coin out there is going to play on the same role. There's still lots of bad players out there, so you have to do your own due diligence and your own research as well. But now let's get right into it. So the first thing you have to do is head over to Bullpen, which is a trading site. You can do prediction markets on there. You can buy tokens, you can trade and do literally everything there. And as you can see on my screen, it says Bullpen. You can sign in either with Google, continue with X, or a wallet, or whatever you choose to do. So now you have to continue with X. So for example, if you're somebody that has a Twitter account, please try to continue with X, because this airdrop depends on it, right? So you could also continue with Google, but you could end up adding your X account to it later, because this airdrop depends on your X account as well. So we're going to click continue with X. We're going to authorize. And as soon as we finish authorizing, we are already in the platform. And as you guys can see, it's a copy trading app for poly market. You can track wallets, you can do all of those things. And we are in already. Now, after signing up with X or Google Mail or whatever you've done, all you need to do right now is come all over to this section over here, which says join ANSEM. Now, if you're doing this on mobile, you may need to do it some other way. But if you're doing it on mobile, you can also come all the way to join ANSEM, or you can come all the way to on-chain, because you're not going to find ANSEM on trade, and you're not going to find it on spot as well on mobile. So just come all the way to on-chain, and then or come all the way to join ANSEM. So now, as you guys can see, we're now in join ANSEM, and you can see my Twitter is connected. So try to connect your Twitter as well. And the reason why we're connecting our Twitter account, which is the X account, is because post about ANSEM is coming soon. So in fact, it is here already, right? Post about ANSEM is here already. So, and you can see the amount of impressions I've gathered talking about ANSEM on X. So I think the requirement for this airdrop will be for you to hold ANSEM, which is the meme coin on Solana, and connect your X account, which I already mentioned, and post about ANSEM. So just 3 easy criteria. Now, when we're talking about hold ANSEM, it's not going to be much at all. I think ANSEM itself said something about it, and they're saying, I think $1 is going to pretty much be enough. And they're probably not going to airdrop so much of the tokens to people that already have so much of ANSEM. So in fact, you holding $1, or I mean less than $10 worth of ANSEM, could even put you in a very better position for the airdrop, right? And the next one is to connect your X account, and after post on X about it. For example, after setting up your account, all you need to do is just make a post on Twitter and be like, oh, I just set up my account, blah, 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 and just use the hashtag $ANSEM. Very, very important. You need to use the hashtag. And as you guys can see, it will calculate your holdings, your ANSEM holdings. That is the site over here on Bullpen. It also would say how long you've been holding ANSEM for. So it's also going to show it here. And of course, you cannot lie about on-chain data and all of those things. But the thing is, how do you get this on-chain data? So for people that have already bought ANSEM before now, all you need to do is import your Solana wallet to the Bullpen interface, right? And how do you do that? You just need to come all the way here to your profile once again. You come all the way to probably manage wallets. When you come all the way to manage wallets, you can see all of the wallet data here. You can see it's like your portfolio, right? Then you can see up in the corner here, which says import. So once you click on that, you enter your wallet name, EVM or Solana, pretty much, of course, Solana, right? Because we are basically doing this on Solana. So you put a wallet name and then you're going to enter your private key over here. Please do all these things, discreetly, because you don't want to be losing all of your shit in this kind of moment, right? The meme coin era is back. Everything is pumping and you have to stay sharp, look sharp, and be very, very careful, right? So this is basically for people that are already conversant with it, that already have that already have ANSEM in their Solana wallet or in their Phantom wallet per se. This is literally how you're going to do it. Now, it's going to take a lot of time sometimes before everything reflects, but just be patient. In maybe around a couple of minutes or maybe to an hour, everything will reflect, right? But then I also think it is also important for you to trade ANSEM even on this app. You can trade $5 worth of it. And how do you trade it? Once you've connected your Solana wallet already, you're going to have Sol in your wallet. For example, I've got some Sol over here, and then this is ANSEM over here. It's currently trading at 0.34. I could just, buy 0.1 worth of it and just, buy. It's processing and transaction confirmed. And that's it. We just successfully bought 23 ANSEM for 0.1 Sol. And so once you trade that as well, it's going to probably add up in your volume somewhere over here, ANSEM volume. So maybe this could also help boost your chances, maybe for the airdrop or something at all. So that is basically everything. I mean, if you want to know more about ANSEM in general and the reason behind the whole bullishness on the timeline and all over crypto in general, there's still so much information out there on Twitter, on TikTok, literally everywhere, and now on YouTube. From my own end, this is just literally one man pushing narrative, of course, with the support of the community, but because it's also supporting the community directly. So this is just basically somebody with integrity and somebody that everyone kinds of trusts. It is crazy. This is the first almost 300 mil runner that we have seen since probably the days of Trump meme coin, right? So this is insane. This is totally insane. Everybody is literally believing in it and it is making the market bullish. So, I mean, once again, because ANSEM is hitting the high records and all of those things, doesn't mean that every meme coin out there is going to do the same. So please do your own due diligence. And now I even need to explain what the airdrop could promise, right? So if we come all the way here to Pump Fund, you guys can see basically this is it's called the Black Bull, right? And it's called ANSEM, right? Now, the current market cap is sitting at 338 in just about in a few days, right? In just a few days, right? It's pumped all the way to 336 million market cap, which is totally insane. But what makes this actually stand out is that 70, I think currently 58% of the total supply of this coin, of this meme coin, is being held by the creator himself, which is ANSEM, and somebody that that stands really high in crypto Twitter. So that is the first point. And the second thing is also he is airdropping and has been airdropping loads of this, millions, almost $10 million worth of tokens to people randomly for creating, for interacting, for onboarding people, for doing literally everything on the internet. So the airdrop is going back, everything has been getting in fees is going back to the community. And then he has also promised at some point to still airdrop so much more to the community. So this is entirely insane, and that is why we obviously have the Bullpen ANSEM airdrop like at the end of the day. So this is really crazy, insane. Please do your own research. And I have done my own research, and I'm really enjoying everything. As you can see, I've been here for 6 days already, so I've seen the upside already. I've been able to rotate and rotate and rotate, and it doesn't just even stop, right? So please check this out if you're not if you're not even on anything at all, and probably you do not know how to start up or how to get in, or this is all gibberish to you. My Telegram group will also be in the description below. We have loads of people there that could be onboarding you and, help you get your first ANSEM tokens, probably get your wallet, sign up on Bullpen and do all of this things. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Trade safe, trade smart, and, stay bullish. Meme coin trenches are back. Peace.